Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be replacing the starter on this 2016. We fixed my camera. GMC Sierra 1500. You absolutely do not need to remove the wheels under no circumstance. You do not need to take these wheels off. I've seen other videos where they take the wheel. It's not correct. So what we first want to do is take the negative terminal off. Alright, cool. I've lifted up the car. Gotta make sure this does not come back. Oh man, just the fitment here is so annoying. Alright, cool. The clip right here. Right there, it's super easy. You just pull this back and then boom. It's really easy, it's not corroded. And we have the hot wire right there. It is a 13 from what I know. Sure is. Alright, let's take this. Our battery's disconnected, so we don't gotta worry about it. See right there, remove that. Bolts to hold the starter, also 13 millimeter. Okay. I'm gonna stand right here. Those are neck lights, they're not headlights, but okay. Alright, so take out the heat shield, bolt. We have our starter out. Cool. This is the heat shield right here, and this is the heat shield for the signal wire. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about right here. So let's get the new starter back in. Alright, we're going to tighten this. Hand tighten it. And then tighten it as good as you can. Alright, now I'm going to put the positive wire where it goes. Cool. Okay, this is the hot wire right here. We'll go ahead and tighten it. 13 millimeter. More than enough. And then we have signal wire. Cool. I'm gonna cover it just like this. Okay. And just before we get done, I went ahead and I replaced this. Sorry, I had to replace it. I just put the heat shield 10 millimeter bolt back. And let's go see if the car starts. Okay, now we are in the car. I got the keys on me. Let's see if it starts. Key in ignition. I want to take the hazards off. Here we go. There we go. Looking good. No check engine light. No weird lights on the dash. Let's see. I don't know what the ABS light is on. That's something else, but has nothing to do with this. So if you guys enjoyed the content, please let me know. If you have any questions, please comment below. See ya.